I've been asked to teach pastel painting at the Albany Summer School in 2024. So to that end, I've been thinking about images to paint and what materials and papers we need. So I looked first at using the cheapest pastels, which are the Mungo, and come in quite a big set. And I don't love them, but I thought, well, they're affordable. Then I looked at maybe using some Sennelier sets, so I bought 3, which I thought had a good range of colours. And I also looked at the Art Spectrum landscape set. So these are my experiments. So this first one is with the Mungo, and from a distance I guess it doesn't look too bad, but really they're super hard and didn't enjoy working with them, and I feel like it would be really a struggle for beginners or anyone to get a good result. Same scene, this time done with Sennelier in those 3 sets, and what I sort of found with that was that the colours just didn't quite sort of respond to the Australian landscape. Maybe that's it, but they just sort of weren't really right, and I had to really mix and layer them, and I just didn't feel great about that. Next is the Art Spectrum landscape set, which is actually pretty good, but there's no real darks in there, so I really had to mix, which in the end I did rather like the results that came out of that. Actually, I feel like I learned a lot by working with those colours, but I think that it would be really hard for a beginner to get those results. And these are all on self-primed matte board, and I think the density of that allowed me to really sort of work into it. Next, this is my mix of colours based on the Art Spectrum landscape, sort of adding a few more in, and quite liked that, but I did feel that wasn't quite right. So in the end I thought I'm just going to see what would happen with my own mix. And so this is the one that I'm happiest with, and this is also on Colour Fix, which I think is an accessible paper for beginners as well. So I just am really quite pleased with that result. If I was doing it again, possibly I would actually include some of those Art Spectrum landscape series, because I really like how the tree turned out in that, but I feel like that just might be adding too many colours to the set and making it sort of unaffordable. And that's a really poor printout of the scene that I was working from. So there it is. 2 types of paper and 4 different pastel combinations.